The first workout will be a standing workout, and we call it tensegrity work. I will explain a lot during the exercises. So let's start with the movement immediately. You have your weight on the left foot, and we start to lift the right knee up, and we're tapping back, hinging forwards. Let's go. Inhale up, exhale, tap back. So tensegrity work means we focus on strength and flexibility and harmony. And very often we have balance exercises, so the full body is working. Breathe in and tap forwards, breathe out. Last two. One more. Let's add the arms. Reach up with your arms, inhale. Bring the arms next to your body, turn out. Breathe in. Palms facing outwards. Okay. Keep the knee lifted and bring the left hand to the inside of your right knee and start to press the knee against the hand and vice versa. So here we add resistance by pressing with the arm to create tension that should spread through the whole fascia network. So really press and feel the tension, hopefully in your whole body. Arm, back, leg, hip flexor, abdominals, everything is working. Now observe with your inner eye, is there any body area getting tired quickly? This could be a sign that we're out of balance in that part of area. Yes. Press a bit more, breathe. All the power in here. 4, 3, 2, and release. Tap back and hinge forwards. Extend your arms to the side. And now we're gonna hinge forwards, lifting the back leg like a standing scale. And come up again. So the first round was for the front line of your fascia and the deep functional line. Now let's focus on the back line of your fascia. Okay. Give me 4 more like these. Don't drop your head, otherwise we will lose the tension on the fascia. And then keep that position, leg, upper body parallel to the floor. Now, let's try to tap with the right fingers to the left side onto the ground and return. So we also have this spiral fascia line working here. Woo. Powerhouse is helping you here as well. So inhale, tap down. Exhale through pursed lips, belly button in and up. Woo. Let's try 2 more of these. 1 more. And then bring the foot down, waterfall, relax. Grab the elbows with the hands, the diagonal ones, and start to bounce down, up, up. So back to elasticity here. Just bounce and enjoy the rebounds. Maybe bounce a little bit to the left and to the right. Last 8, 7, head heavy, look to your knees. 4, 3, 2, return to center, bend the knees, roll up. And let's switch to the other side. So we're standing on the right foot, tap back with the left, lift the knee, inhale, tap back, exhale. Connect movement with the breath. Breathe in, lift, breathe out. So this is also what a fascia can do to transfer strength from the upper body to the lower body. All right, ready to add the arms? Lift and lengthen. Tap back, turn the arms outwards. So collarbones are floating nice and widely to the side. Woo. Give me 4 more. Keep that corset feeling. Good job. Get ready to hold the left knee in the air. Press against the inside of your knee with the right hand and really press. Yeah, you can't see any motion from the outside, but you can feel the work from the inside. So activate your inner eye and observe. Can you feel the power spreading to the whole body? Or is there any body part getting tired? Maybe you feel something in the shoulder. In my case, it's often the hip flexor. So it might be a sign that there's something going on in your body where we have to look and to focus on again. 4, 3, 2, 1, and tap back again. Ooh, maybe you need to shake out. That's fine to get back the fluidity to rehydrate the fascia there. If you're ready, spread your arms to the side and float into standing scale. Come up. Breathe in and breathe out. Think in length. Breastbone is pulling you forwards. Don't drop the head. Yeah, we want to create the tension in the whole backside of the body. The whole back line of the fascia is getting active. Now hold it whenever you're ready. And we tap to the right side with the left fingers. Exhale, return back to the standing scale. Let's try. I know it's a balance challenge. And maybe you're falling out of position. Don't worry. Shake it out and come back. Whoop. Last 2. One more. And then come up and walk it out. Just walk at your spot. So very important in between to rehydrate the fascia system. Just walk and breathe, enjoy. Really press the floor away with your feet. Get some tension, some work into your feet. Last 4, 3, 2, stop the feet. Bring the fingers onto your shoulders. Get a micro bend into your knees. And let's twist from right to left. Please try not to move the pelvis. Freeze and speed it up. Right, left, right, left. Grow an inch taller with your inhale. Twist a bit deeper with your exhale. Yeah, I love to breathe out for 2. 1, 2, breathe in. 1, 2, breathe out. 1, 2, yes. So repetitive, faster dynamic rotations. And then slowly return to center. Extend your arms. And now let's connect or combine this with flexion. So we move into standing saw. Inhale, we twist to the right. Exhale, we round. So the left hand is pulling back. Come up, return. Exhale, release the twist. Now to the left. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, round your spine. The right hand is pulling back at the outside of the leg. Inhale. And exhale. Now let's flow. In, out. Back palm is facing up to the ceiling. In and out. Breathe in, lift and lengthen like a corkscrew. And then exhale, rotate. Visit each side one more time. Shoulders away from your ears. And then slowly return to center. Relax your arms and shake it out.